안녕하세요. 전 위케입니다. 만났어요. 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you all. Welcome back to my channel GKS-U applicant. So today's topic is how to make Korean friends in HelloTalk. So I'm using this app more than 1.5 months. So I know I have talked to many Koreans, Indians, and some other peoples also. So I understand that it's very easy to connect with Korean people. So you can understand the culture, language, and you can connect, you can chat just like everyone does. So you can get their university friends also. So it's very nice, like Korean people who are studying in Korean university. So you can get there. So you can understand, you can even ask them help for reviewing your essays, or it's okay, find everything. So you can, that is the best place I think so. बहुत अच्छी जगह है. So you can use it wisely. And you want to first install this app HelloTalk in your Android phone, laptop, or desktop, anywhere. So after installing this app, then you want to do is create a profile. So very important thing, if you create a good profile, then everyone will come to you. So create it very nicely, beautifully, neatly. It's easy to connect like wise. Then they will like your profile, they will visit you. So these are, I'm going to say my personal experience and what I thought about it. So let's start the video. In your profile introduction, about you use Korean as well as English with emoji, something related to what you're talking. Like I have done 안녕하세요, 저는 미케입니다, and I'm from India. Like 저는 인도 사람이에요, and I have written I'm learning Korean, 한국 사람이에요, and I have written 감사합니다. Thank you. That's it. Just do this. And add it English, and like I want to learn Korean from native Koreans and who are learning Korean. Just say these words because this is very good. Genuine, be genuine what you're talking, and don't do anything other than what you just connect with. If you just want to be connecting people, then it's very good app. So go. And you need to fill your interests and hobbies. Add some, like I want to learn Korean language or something related to that, so it will be easy and people will say, oh, he's genuine person. Like, and please add places I want to go, South Korea. Add that, because then they will see that, they will feel like, oh, he wants to come to Korea, so a genuine person. And occupation, like student, you can add or something. Hometown, put add general India, that's it, I think so. School, you need means you can. The moments, like you can post your moments, whatever thoughts are coming to, like WhatsApp status, it is like that. So there are many courses, online translation apps, words you can learn from it. And there is very important one thing, even you do not know Korean language, still you can use this and you can get help from other Koreans, and you can help them in learning English, Hindi, or some other language. I have seen many Koreans want to learn English, especially who are living in Seoul, because all the international students are going to Seoul. So this is the chance you can learn. So this is very important. You can engage with Korean people, university students, work life, everything you can understand while chatting to them. And be honest, don't say lies too much, don't flirt, especially these. I have heard one sister told me that someone's flirting with him, so she deleted his account. So don't do this kind of. So respect others, so you can get your respect. Okay, so your profile should be very good, like your picture should be like human face or something. If you don't like to put your picture on it, so try to put images that are like human. Like if you're a boy, then put some boy picture or something that makes sense. and then you should fill your details in it. Don't fill too much or don't feel too much, like keep it simple and straightforward. Don't mix too much, so don't use too much your personal information. Also just keep it minimum, general wise, okay? So it will be nice. And you want to use emojis, you add some Korean also in it. You can get it in chat gpt, like your name, everything you can done it. The most important thing is that you can use voice rooms, very good place. You can speak to Koreans and listen to Koreans or any language you want to learn. So that's very great place. So you can get the pronunciations, how the way they speak Korean, like that. And connect means you can find the person you want to learn from, like profile they will be there, and so you can just go and see what connects you. Find the people who connects with you, like any similar interest or something, like they know India or something. These kinds will make your, like they will reply you back. That's very important. You get reply, that's very important. If you have good communication skills, like you can talk very nicely, so you can connect with people very easily and they will reply you. Then you can learn it from it. Like I have also did, I got many friends in Korean and even India and some places. Like I have two niece now and one young. I got connected with them, very nice. I even got the Kakao Talk accounts, so we will chat there also. So I learned from them a lot, so you can check. That's a great app. So before going to Korea, I have connected to many people, and even Indian people who learns Korean, who knows better than me, I talk them. I just try to learn from them. I can get help from them. Like if I don't understand any topic or grammar point, I will ask them, and they help me to learn it better way. So use this app, it's great. Most important question is that if you do not understand, if they reply in you to in Korean language, what will you do? Then there is very good app called Papago. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right. I will put the link in it. That's a translator, so English into Korean or any language. So you can use that Papago app, translator app, something. You can install from Play Store, anywhere. And but you need to say that you are still beginner or you just know little bit, so they will feel okay, he tries to but he do not know. I also used to do these kind of things. If I don't understand anything meaning in Korean, they text me, so I just go to the translator app in Papago and I just copy paste and I see what the meaning and I go back. Then I will say okay, I don't know, just start this. So whenever you text someone, first text in Korean 안녕하세요 and their name and one emoji, and then say I'm learning Korean language, blah blah, and then see what they want to learn. Like if they want to learn English language, then say I will help you with learning English language. This will be like, oh, they are genuine. So these kind of things you need to keep in your mind when you are learning languages in these apps like HelloTalk. So this is the best place. So please go and download, and this is not a sponsorship, anything. This is my personal experience, how I did, and you can also use this. It's a great help. And thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I need to complete 62 subscribers within 5 days. Please support me. Fighting. Learning Korean language and GKS. I will upload more videos on GKS guidelines when it will come in second week. So be ready to watch these videos, and please make my YouTube channel grow so I can live in YouTube stream, and so we can have some question answers. You have any questions, please comment down and share my YouTube channel, so we can have a community where everything will be related to GKS South Korea. Our dreams will come true and we will go to Korea, everything. So please do these all things. If you want to win GKS, go, hurry up. Please subscribe my. So bye bye.